Check out this long trade. Did I manage it well, or what would you have done differently? Let me know into the comments.
I will be right back in a minute. Sorry about that. Well, I'm back, and it looks like I got an entry there, guys. So let's see if this plays out here. Did find some support at the 9 there. I think what we'll do here is we'll take off about 5 at this limit sell 5 about halfway up here, which is almost going to get tapped here, hopefully. If we get tapped on those 5, we're going to go break even. We'll break even here. There we go. We took those. Okay, break even. So trade's looking pretty good so far, guys. We're up 106 in this trade. I'm actually going to move this up here. So what we'll do here is we'll take another order here. We'll sell, limit sell 3 more right up here. So that's working out so good, pretty good so far, guys. And then if we do take out these orders up here, because I am worried about this handoff VWAP or anchored VWAP here. We need to break that. So let's just move this actually right to here. Hopefully can get tagged out on these ones also. Just capture a little more profit. Leave this stop break even there.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm gonna. There we go. There we go. We got 3 more out. Bouncing pretty good here. That's pretty good. Good way to come back to being in a trade and up winning. We're up 200 right now on this trade. So I think that deserves a bit of an air horn and an applause. I don't know if any of you guys took this trade also, but it's looking pretty good right now. So we're going to hold on to these last 2 contracts in case we're going to head up to, the 23,530 area. So let's front run that a little bit. We'll bring this down to 29, and that'll be kind of our end profit target here. Actually, we do have those orders up at 550, don't we? So what we should do is actually, I'm going to put this up here to like 48, and we'll put a single contract here, just front run in the 30s. Limit sell 1. I mean, we might get stopped out here, guys, but it is what it is, right? If we do, so let's try to at least keep 9 or 10 bucks here on these remaining contracts if we do get stopped out. But so far, we're looking pretty good. Patience pays, hey guys. So make sure you guys take advantage of those top 1 futures sale before the end of the week. Is when it's going to be gone. Yeah, we're pretty far away from the 80% setup today, guys. Might not end up playing out. You never know. Because, like if we were to consider the 80% setup still, like that's down at 23,235. So what are the likelihood that we're going to move down, from 235, so 270 points? Probably not very likely today. So unless we get some sort of big Trump news or something, at this point, it's looking like we might be getting a naked point of control after today to consider for future trades, right? And there's that 20% chance that the 80% isn't going to work, right? So happy with this trade so far. We might end up getting stopped out on these remaining contracts. I'm okay with that. We're up 200 on that trade. It's all about catching those base hits, guys. Pulling back here a little bit more. I'm gonna just take this one more right here if I can. There we go. We'll close that one out. Just because if we do get stopped out, get a little more profit here. Edging my stop here. There we go. We're out. All right. So 220 on that trade. Not too bad. Not too shabby.
Follow for more content like this. Is you rock.